Austin homeowners take pride in their properties, and for good reason. A well-maintained home not only looks appealing but also preserves its market value in a competitive real estate environment. While many people focus on interior updates or landscaping, one of the most overlooked yet highly effective ways to protect your home's worth is through residential pressure washing. Regular cleaning of your home's exterior can prevent damage, improve curb appeal, and ensure your property continues to stand out in Austin's vibrant neighborhoods. Enhancing curb appeal instantly first impressions matter, especially when it comes to real estate. The exterior of your home is the first thing guests, neighbors, or potential buyers notice. Over time, dirt, dust, mold, and mildew can accumulate on siding, driveways, and walkways, making your home look older and less cared for. A professional pressure washing service restores your home's fresh, clean appearance almost instantly. Bright siding, spotless driveways, and refreshed patios create an inviting atmosphere that boosts curb appeal, a key factor in maintaining or even increasing your home's value in Austin's competitive housing market. Protecting exterior surfaces from damage. Austin's climate can be tough on home exteriors. Humidity, heat, pollen, and occasional storms contribute to the buildup of grime, algae, and mildew. If left untreated, these contaminants don't just look unattractive, they can actually cause permanent damage. Mold and algae can eat away at siding, while dirt and grime can weaken concrete surfaces over time. Pressure washing removes these harmful substances before they cause costly repairs. By keeping surfaces clean and free from buildup, you're extending the lifespan of your home's exterior materials, which directly supports your property's long-term value. Preventing costly repairs. Neglecting exterior cleaning often leads to bigger problems down the line. Mold growth can spread into cracks, rot can develop on wood, and weeds or moss can damage driveways and walkways. These issues often require expensive repairs or replacements that could have been avoided with regular maintenance. By scheduling routine pressure washing, Austin homeowners can prevent these problems before they start. It's a small investment that saves money in the long run while ensuring your home continues to hold its value. A healthier living environment. Pressure washing doesn't just protect your home's structure, it also supports a healthier environment for your family. Mold, mildew, and pollen that collect on outdoor surfaces can affect air quality and contribute to allergies or respiratory issues. Regular exterior cleaning reduces these contaminants, creating a cleaner, healthier space for you and your loved ones. This benefit is particularly important in Austin, where seasonal pollen levels can be high. A healthier home environment adds to your overall quality of life, which buyers also see as a strong selling point. Increasing buyer appeal. If you're planning to sell your home, pressure washing is one of the most cost-effective ways to make it market-ready. Potential buyers are more likely to be attracted to a property that looks well-maintained, both inside and out. Clean siding, a spotless driveway, and a bright roof signal to buyers that the home has been cared for, increasing their confidence in its overall condition. Even if you're not selling soon, maintaining your home's exterior ensures that when the time comes, your property will stand out against others in Austin's competitive housing market. Conclusion: a smart investment for Austin homeowners. Residential pressure washing is more than just an aesthetic upgrade. It's a smart investment in your home's long-term value. From preventing costly repairs and protecting exterior surfaces to enhancing curb appeal and improving air quality, the benefits are clear. For Austin homeowners, where climate and growth create constant wear and tear on properties, pressure washing is an affordable and effective way to keep your home looking its best while safeguarding its value. Whether you plan to stay for years or sell in the near future, regular pressure washing is a simple step that delivers lasting results.